I love being in the Waterloo region for a number of reasons. One is that it really feels like a hometown. I have a network of people that I can call on at any time. So I've called up some of the CEOs of the other robotics and technology companies right here in Waterloo and said, hey, let's have lunch together. I have a problem that you might have run across before. I'd really like to run something by you. So we were instantly immersed in the Waterloo tech environment. Some of the bigger benefits to that is we are in the middle of 3 world-class institutions. So with Conestoga College offering a real hands-on experience with their co-op program, as well as the University of Waterloo having a very high academic standard, we're able to fill our needs for mechanical engineering, mechatronics engineering, and software development. At Deep Trekker, we make submersible robots. So we make robots that are what we call our swimming robots, or remotely operated vehicles is the industry term for them. So what we build here is not only a robot, but a very difficult robot to build, and it requires people who can look at a problem holistically and say, hey, if I do things this way or that way, it might cause a problem once we put it into the water. So it's not good enough just to have a robot that works in the air. And what we found that being right here in the region with the skilled workforce is we have people who can think about a problem, think about what they're building holistically, and come up with a solution before it becomes a problem in the water. If I was to start Deep Trekker again, I wouldn't make any changes with regards to where we are. This was a perfect spot for us.